talk through why you sort of created those. What's the advantage of having an aromatherapy, because that beyond just the oxygen, and how does that complicate your manufacturing? Because now you've got more SKUs.
Yeah, great question. So one is the aromatherapy oxygen is tasteless and odorless. So people, and if you go to an oxygen bar in Las Vegas, they have all these aromatherapies connected. So we decided to add aromatherapies to our oxygen. 75% of what we sell is still natural. It's not the aromatherapies, but the aromatherapies are growing. But we decided to go with peppermint because it's got an energy connotation. Menthol eucalyptus because it has a respiratory connotation, and the pink grapefruit because it has a mood connotation. And the final one that you've had, there's the rosemary, which has definitely been studied. Rosemary aroma is great for memory. There have been independent studies about rosemary helping like 70% increase in short-term memory for people who inhale rosemary. So we've tried to pick out aromatherapies that had definite studied and proven benefits, in addition to what oxygen can do for you from a respiratory standpoint. So from a manufacturing standpoint, yes, it's a big problem because now with this new machine that we have come in, if you feed in the menthol eucalyptus line, and we have a microdoser that will drop in just 1 to 2 drops per can. When now you get to switch to peppermint, everything's got to be clean because that aromatherapy those oils stick around.
Sure,
even though they're water-based oils, they
but some of them, right? The peppermint's probably pretty strong compared to say the rosemary, and you don't want someone thinking they're getting rosemary, but it turns into a rosemary eucalyptus.
Right. And so there's a whole sanitary process that comes from that as well. So
I mean, because now you've got 3 or 4 can sizes plus 3 can sizes plus you've got maybe 4 or 5 flavors because the plane.
Right.
It's going to be a manufacturing. You're going to have to get schooled up on lean manufacturing and kind of understanding all that.
But we control our destiny.
Yeah, you sure do.
Which is the big thing. So you let manufacturing, you control your destiny. We're going to do private labeling now more so for people like for weddings and for sports teams and stuff, because we could do private labeling before, but going to your contract manufacturer is a whole different process. Now we have control over that. So it's really definitely something that we're looking forward to expanding.